tonight. Rachel! Hello, Rabbit! Hello, Angela! Careful going up. Okay, here's the microphone. Batiin nyo na lahat ng fans ninyo ngayong gabi.
Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you po for coming here. We're just as excited as you are.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. And ito na po, may pelikula na po tayo. Sobrang iba po yung kaba namin ni Angela ngayon. Wala po kami masabi sa inyo. Pero maraming salamat po.
Sa support ang ipinapakita ninyong lahat. Kaya naman ngayon, i-congratulate natin sila by shouting, clapping. Everybody, let's go! Let's give it up for Rachel! Thank you, everybody. And would you like to invite them? Would you like to invite them January 14th?
Ngayon po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na manood ng Werewolf Boys sa
January 14 in cinemas nationwide. Buy your tickets na po.
There you have it, Derek. Please stay here with them. Let's have your photos taken. And the rest of the cast, may we invite... Okay, sa loob na lang daw ang mga cast. Okay, to all the ticket holders, you may now proceed. Once again, to all our ticket holders, you may now proceed inside Cinema 2. At sa mga walang ticket, don't you worry. 2 nights na lang ang naantayin natin lahat. Mapapanood na natin sabay-sabay A Werewolf Boy in cinemas nationwide. Right now. Hello, would you like to greet all our friends, family, and fans who came to support you guys?
Okay. You can go first kasi masyado mahaba yung sabihin ko.
Ayun po, una-una po sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat po sa lahat ng tao dito. Gusto para supportahan po yung pelikula natin and sana po ma-enjoy po natin yung movie. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong gabi. After the film, I'm very sure na maiiba ang tingin nyo kay Rabbit at Angela. Mahuhusay na artista, wala akong masabi, lahat ng review ay positive, kaya salamat sa pagpunta.
Should I say the long message now or save it for later?
It's now!
Thank you so much for coming here. Tonight, my heart is so full and I just have a lot to thank for. First and foremost, kay God. Thank you kay God dahil endless yung blessings na binibigay niya po sa akin, yung guidance niya. And I'm just so grateful to Him for bringing these beautiful and amazing people into my life. To Viva, to Boss Vic, for seeing the potential in me and believing me, for changing the trajectory of my life. I'm eternally grateful to you, Boss Vic. Maraming salamat po. To Boss Veronique, who is like our mother, who never fails to guide us in everything that we do. To Boss Vincent, to Boss Val, to all the Viva bosses. We wouldn't be standing here without your trust. So thank you so much. To my family, my papa, my mom in heaven, my lolo in heaven, my egg, and to everyone else who I love, my kuya CJ. Thank you for being my home. To my friends who have never left me since day one, I love you. Thank you so much. And there's just a lot in my head. I thank you to my Viva mommies, my Mama Barbs, my Mama Pao, Miss Neen, Sir Jean. I don't know if I forgot someone. Miss Sydney, my Viva Beauty family. Thank you so much po. And to Direct Chris. Thank you for believing in me when I couldn't believe in myself. For bringing out the best in us on set. Thank you so much po to Direct Jack, Direct MJ, Miss Chrisma, to my co-actors, Miss Candy Pangilinan, Miss Lorna Tolentino, Albi Casino, and the rest of our co-actors. And Viva Films, thank you so much. To the team behind A Werewolf Boy, this wouldn't be special without you and your hard work. thank you so much po. And of course, to my leading man, Robin, thank you for being my strength and for walking this journey. Fans po namin, Jalobs, Tabins, and Rabjels. Thank you so much po. To everyone here tonight who made an effort to come here and support us, we are so grateful to you. Thank you so much po from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you again and enjoy the show.
And Direct Chris, I think you want to
Gusto ko lang
invite?
tawagin yung lahat po ng part ng Aurora Boy Production staff and post-production. Punta po kayo dito. I want to see all of you.
Yes, and of course, we'd like to call, of course, we
Everyone.
have everyone here, Miss Candy
Pati yung ibang
Pangilinan,
cast din.
Sir
Guys, let's go,
Jeffrey
guys.
Dago, Anika Ko, Miss Angel Raimundo, Ravi Tejada, Onel Torres, Boaz Mariano, Francis Mada, Simon Ibarra, Omar Jacob, Luna Amor Buniag, Louis Manansala, and Kanye Avendaño. Would like to call in all of you, the cast members who are here with us tonight, and of course, the staff and crew and production of
Wala.
A Werewolf Boy.
Sila Joshua, sila Ulap, sila Meg, asan kayo? Gusto ko lang i-present sa inyo yung gumawa ng A Werewolf Boy, everyone.
Yes, hindi mabubuo ito kung hindi dahil sa kanilang lahat.
Prisma. Si Joshua, may second camera. Pasok po kayo. Sige po. Ito sila, Anika.
Anika?
O'Neil, Christian P. Kuya Rafi, si Boaz, Kuya Francis, si Kuya Omar. Everyone? Kuya Smart, dito ka na?
Okay, meron pa po bang naiwan sa taas? Would like to invite again all our staff for closer, tighter. Congratulations! Sila po ang bumubuo ng A Werewolf Age. Palapakan naman natin! The staff, production crew, the cast members, the lead stars, and our director are all here. Let's give them a big, big round of applause! Congratulations, A Werewolf Boy. It's time to take photo. One of the few na unang makaka-witness kung gaano kaganda ang pelikulang A Werewolf Boy. And also, thank you so much to all the stars, the guests, na kasama natin ngayong gabi supporting this film. To all the bosses who are here with us, congratulations!
Everyone.
There you have it! Congrats, everybody! And I know everyone's excited to watch the film, but congratulations! Okay, alright, everybody, while our staff crews, lead stars and director are all going back to their respective seats, we would like to thank